This tutorial will show you how to add a fire green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to add a fire green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have a fire green screen effect, basically you can type this in here on YouTube and then download, and we'll see you in Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have your fire green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro and you have the video that you would like to overlay it or add the effect, the first step is to click and to highlight your fire green screen effect. The next step is to go on the top left hand screen and click effects, and in the search bar you want to type in color key, and under keying click the drop down arrow, click color key, click drag hold, and apply it onto your video clip or layer. Now if you don't have effects, don't worry, go to window and scroll down until you see effects, make sure that it's checked, and also effects control panel. You can adjust your fire green screen effect if you would like, as so, and then the next step is to click effects control, scroll down until you see color key, click the drop down arrow, and then go to the right and click this eyedropper tool. Now you want to click on the color of green. In this case we have a green screen of our fire effect. Notice that it removed it, and then go back, and under color tolerance where it says 0, you can move this to the right and notice that it's removing the color. And then edge thin 1 is good, and this will make it basically look like this. Or should I say, this is the before and this is the after.